African way of making homemade fried fish at home. African way of making whole fried fish at home. So we are going to get our fish. You first wash it. After, you're going to slice it. This is Chef Joshua Omusiisisiisi. For the new viewers, don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel so that you can get daily recipes. So first slice your fish into slices, but don't break it. Then after, you're going to season it. So you season it both sides with salt and pepper and white pepper. Then apply turmeric. Also apply turmeric both sides. Then after applying turmeric, we are going to also apply lemon juice. So you're going to apply the lemon juice both sides. Then after, you're going to apply paprika. You apply paprika also both sides. Then after, you're going to apply Reiko. If you don't have it, you can use any other spice, both sides. Then after, we are going to finish off with wheat flour. If you don't have wheat flour, you can use corn flour. So you also dust it both sides. Dust it with wheat flour or corn flour, both sides. Then after, you're going to deep fry until golden brown in very hot oil. I repeat it. You're going to deep fry until golden brown while you are turning it in very hot oil. Then when it is ready, you're going to serve it. You can serve it with kachumbari or onion tomato salad. You can also slice some lemon rings, then you garnish it a little bit, then you serve it. It is good to go. For the new viewers, don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel so that you can get daily recipes.